Hello everyone, this is Aida Kolami from Soft Research Company, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a pivot table in Excel. So as you can see here, I have some data, I have some columns, some products, codes, some customers, and the year of the sales and the amount of the sale. Okay, so this is the money. So now when I want to have a quick analysis on my data, I will use a pivot table. So I just need to go to Insert tab and select the corner cell and click on Pivot Table. Now you can see that it says select the table or range. That you can see it has selected it correctly. And then it says where you want the pivot table report to be placed. So we want it to be placed in new worksheet, but you can make any other address that you want. And I click OK, and you can see that here I have my pivot table made. So if I click on products and amount, you can see that each product has how much how many money spent it on. And now I can just pull any of them in any areas here. If I do that, you can see that the products are listed in columns. If I take it to here, you can see that the products are listed on rows. And I can select them also. So there's a filter that I can filter it. Another thing that I wanted to tell you is to use recommended pivot tables. So if I click on that, it can just automatically identify the it can automatically make some recommendations based on your data and make it more useful for you. Okay, now for example, you can see that it is categorized in the year and amount of sale, or the code of the product and amount of sale, or products. And okay, this is not really useful, meaningless. Or yeah, here the customer code and the amount of the money. So I click on that, and you can see that my pivot table, my recommended pivot table is now made. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you all learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Soft channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.